Welcome to my class introduction. Class standard 9, subject mathematics, chapter name shapes and functions, exercise 2.1, lecture 2. Today's lesson, to solve the problems. At first I will explain ordered pair. Follow here. Amina and Sumena of class 8 occupied first and second position respectively in the annual examination. According to merit, this can be expressed as Amina and Shomena pair. Okay, similar definite pairs are called ordered pairs. That means the first position will be Amina, second position will be Shomena. Okay, so for a pair of elements, if the positions are given and expressed, then the pair is called ordered pair. That means position will be fixed or given, okay, and expressed in the then the pair mean like in this form. That's mean inside in first bracket. This is first position, this is second position. Okay. If the first element of an ordered pair is x and the second element is y, then the ordered pair is denoted by xy. So xy and yx are not same because x is first position, y is second position. When we'll write yx, that's mean y is first position, x is second position. So xy and yx are not same. But in the set, that means when two elements x and y, that means say within second bracket x comma y, and within second bracket y comma x, both are same, no problem. But for ordered pair, x y and yx are not same. You have to remember this. Clear everyone? Okay. For the ordered pairs xy and ab, xy this equal to ab if and only if x equal to a and y equal to b. That's mean two ordered pair will be equal when here first element and here first element are same, here second element, here second element are same. Clear? That's mean if xy equal to ab, if and only if we can write x equal to a and y equal to b. Clear everyone? Okay. Now follow some math related to ordered pairs. Okay. Example 11. 2x plus y comma 3. Here is the ordered pair. There will be only two elements. This is first position, this is second position. Here this is first position and this is second position. As this ordered pair and this ordered pair are equal, so the first element of this two ordered pair will be equal. That's mean 2x plus y, this equal to 6, and x minus y, this equal to 3. You can write any one of this will first, no problem. Now solve this cut 3x this equal to 9, that's mean x is equal to 3, and putting the value x equal to 3 in 1 or 2 will get y is equal to 0. Therefore the required value xy this equal to 3 0. This is the answer. Very easy math. Okay, follow this math, you can easily solve 7 number exercise 2.1 in your book 1, 2 and 3. Same to same like as before math, just you have to calculate. Okay, now follow example 12. If p equal to 1 to 3, q equal to 3 4, r is equal to p intersection q. As p equal to this and q equal to this, so r is equal to p intersection q mean common element of this two set. That's mean only common element 3. That is 3. Okay, that's mean P given, Q given, R also 3. Now we have to find the value of P Cartesian product R and R Cartesian product Q. Okay, and we know the definition of Cartesian product. The elements will be in ordered pair, and first element will be the first set and second element will be the second set. We know the definition. Clear? Now follow the solution. P cross R. P cross R. P is equal to this. R is equal to 3. Cross means Cartesian product. Okay. So all the elements of here are the elements of P. All the elements of here are the elements of Q. That's mean the ordered pair here 1 3 2 3 3 3. First element 1 2 3 are the elements of P, and second element 3, that is element of R. Clear? Similarly R cross Q, R is equal to 3, Q mean 3 4, so here will be 3 3 and 3 4. First element 3, that are element of R, and second element 3 4 that are element of Q. So this and this are the required answer. Clear everyone? That are very easy, and follow this you can easily solve 8 number in your book. 1 2 and 3 same. Okay, here we can write the answer in direct. That's mean A B A C, this is equal to PQ, and QP mean B A C A. This is the required answer. And here will be, at first you have to find the value of A intersection B. A intersection B mean 4 5, 4 5, and Cartesian product C mean 4 5 into x y. That's mean 4x 4y 5x 5y. That are required answer. Very easy. And here R is equal to P delete Q. P delete Q or P slash Q. That's mean we have to subtract Q from P. So this card will be only 3. So P union Q is equal to what? P union Q, this equal to 3 5 7. Okay, and R is equal to only 3. So the result of this will be 3 3 5 3 7 3. This is the required answer. We can direct solve. Clear everyone? Now you can easily solve this and this number, because this is related to ordered pair and this is related to Cartesian product. Okay, everybody will solve this. Now example 13 number, determine the set of natural numbers that have the same residue. Residue mean remainder or left part 23 when they divide 3 1 1 and 4 1 9. That's mean the number divide this and this, and remainder will be 23. We have to find this number. So the number will be, as remainder 23, so the number will be greater than 23. As we have to divide 3 1 1 and 419 by these numbers, that's mean that are divisor, and divisor always greater than remainder. Divisor always greater than remainder. So the numbers will be greater than 23. Okay, as 23 as remainder, so the number will be the factor of 3 1 1 minus 23. That's mean 288, and 419 minus 3, this equal to 396, and that will be greater than 23. Clear? So at first we'll find the natural numbers of 288, then we have to find the natural numbers or divisors of the number 396. So for 288 the set will be A, and for 396 the set will be B. Now follow this. 288 mean 1 into 288 this equal to 2 into 144, this equal to 3 into 96, this equal to 4 into 72, this equal to 6 into 4 8, this equal to 8 into 3 6, this equal to 9 into 32, and this equal to 12 into 24, this equal to 16 into 18. Okay, that's means 16 into 18, this also equal to 288. 12 into 24, this also equal to 288. 9 into 32, this also equal to 288, and like this way, and the number greater than 23. So the set A, this equal to 24, that's mean this, then 32, then 36, then 48, then 72, then 96, then 144, then 288. Similarly, for second number, that's mean 396, we can write this. Okay, you can use calculator, no problem. And the divisor or the natural numbers will be greater than 23, as 23 as remainder. As the numbers will less than 23, remainder will not be 23. Remainder will be others number. So the divisor will greater than 23. Clear? 33, 36, that's mean 33, 36, 44, 66, 99, 132, 198, 396. Clear? Therefore, A intersection B. A intersection B mean A is equal to this, B equal to this. That's mean common. A set whose element 36. This is a required answer. Clear, everyone? Follow this. We can solve 9 and 10 number. Same math. That are easy than before math. At first, we have to find the factor of this number, also this number. Then we have to find A union B and A intersection B. And this number and before math, that is example number that I have solved in previous, same. That's mean 10 number. And 9 number more easiest than 10. Example 14. Of 100 students, 88 passed in Bangla, 80 in mathematics, and 70 in both subjects. Express the information in Venn diagram and find how many students failed in both subjects. From the figure we can say what will be the answer. Total, that's mean rectangular set, that is a U. U mean total part, that's mean rectangular shape. B mean the students passed in Bangla, that's mean 88, and M, the students passed in mathematics, that is a 80, that's mean M in total. And Q mean the students passed in both subject, that is a 70. Okay, that's mean Q is equal to 70 and total this equal to 88. So P is equal to what? P is equal to 88 minus 70, that's mean P is equal to only 18. And R is equal to what? R is equal to 80 minus 70, that is equal to 10. Clear? R is equal to 10. So this part 18, this part 70 is given, and this part 10. So 10 plus 70, 10 plus 70, this equal to 80, plus 18, this equal to 88. But total part 100. So only F mean out of circular region. That's mean left part of the rectangular shape. Okay, other than circular part. When we'll subtract 98 from 100, we'll get F is equal to 2. This is the required answer. That's mean failed in both subject. Failed in both subject, this part mean this part. Okay, this part. Other than circular shape. Clear, everyone? So explanation is given. I have already explained here. Venn diagram E represent 100. B represent the number of students who passed in Bangla. M who passed in math. Then here P, Q, R and F all are disjoint. They have no common part. Okay. Now Q is equal to 70. I have explained. P is equal to 88 minus 70. That's mean the value of P is equal to 18. The value of R is equal to 10. I have explained. That's mean total part P union Q union R is equal to B union M, and that are 18 plus 10 plus 70 is equal to 98. And total is 100. So F is equal to 100 minus 98. Therefore, the required answer will be 2. Clear everyone? So I think that if you will clear the others math easily after study this part, that's mean that I have explained in this lecture. Okay, follow this, you can easily solve 11 and 12 number. Okay, so that will be homework. Clear everyone? And if you face problem, you can share with me, no problem, I will help. I'll solve the math and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 9/2021, time 10:30 a.m. So today up to this, thank you to all.